Hey guys, Ernest here. In today's video, we're unboxing a couple of motorbikes or motorcycles. One's a Yamaha YZF R1. It's a 1:10 scale by Welly Diecast. The second one is the same 1:10 diecast model, and this one's a Honda CBR 1000 RR. Let's go ahead and open these two bikes up. Okay, that's the Yamaha YZF out of the box. It looks pretty neat for the size and the scale, pretty detailed as well. Okay, let's go ahead and open the Honda. Okay, that's the Honda CBR 1000 outside the box. They've given the bikes a bit of suspension for the rear wheel, and the only other articulation is the handle turns sideways. That's both the bikes outside the boxes and ready to be displayed. Thanks for watching, guys.